let's take a look at what is on the bay side, which is just beside the hotel. I see some restaurants there, but I'm not sure what restaurants they are. We're gonna go take a walk and just explore. Let's see what it looks like. Still work in progress. There's still some buildings coming up, and there are restaurants here as well. The hotel is here on the left. Sederhana, which means ordinary in the Malay language or the Indo language. The Sederhana Nasi Padang. Oh, Harbour Bay seafood. I'm pretty sure, in fact, I'm very sure we're gonna end up having seafood here before we leave, at least once. They have really developed this area for tourism. Maybe for Singaporeans, Malaysians, and even local Indonesians. And it's a very, very comfortable location. But at the same time, I like the developments around here. Very convenient restaurants, hotels, what have you. You know, night market, mall. It's really, really good to see Batam developing as it is, and I really like it here. We're gonna walk on the other side of the bay. Marriott is just behind me, and there's quite a number of live seafood restaurants that's on this side, which is technically the left side of the Marriott. And we're just going to take a look at what the restaurants here have to offer, which is mostly live seafood but fresh. There's another seafood restaurant here, so they are mostly side by side. There's another one there, which is Fortune Crab 888. And this is the live seafood that they offer. Some crabbies, lobsters. So this is pretty similar. It's just side by side with the other restaurant, which is Harbour City. So working out how they work is, there's a menu. You get to choose the fish or the crab size that you want. Select on the menu what style you want it cooked. They cook for you. They weigh the fish that you have chosen. They weigh the crab that you have chosen, and you are charged based on the weight. That's how it works. They cook it for you, they serve it, you eat it. This is the other side of the harbor, and that's where the Marriott is. And this is where all the restaurants that we just saw just now. But on this side, It's a more, I would say, classic Batam. You still got restaurants here, but it's not as new as the other side. So this is more old school Batam. What is this? This is Kantor Imigrasi Kelas Khusus Batam. Also, this is the immigration office. They've got restaurant here, Chinese restaurant. They've got a bar and bistro. Yeah. So this is very much classic Batam. A very classic old school coffee shop, Batam style or Indonesian style. Don't know about you. 25 hours. So they open for a day plus one. We've got a restaurant, a salon, massage places. I think this is a mall. Small though. Ah, this is a hotel. The Swiss Bell Hotel. Not the Swiss Hotel. If durian is your thing. Different varieties of durians that you can try if you're a durian person. I don't know where the durian is from, but if you're here, give it a shot, why not? Whole area is called the Harbour Bay Downtown, and it's actually a secure area. As I mentioned, this whole area is still developing. I mean, this side is kind of like the old side, but it was probably there before they started developing this area. Massage. There's another hotel there. It's the Harbour Bay Management Office. And right down there is where the Marriott is. Another classic food eating place. Okay, this sort of food eating places are not expensive. So if you're coming to Batam on a budget and you don't want to spend a bomb on food and you're okay with going with, you know, local style food, this sort of places are the types that you should be going to. They still have very local Indonesian Batam prices. Not saying that the food is bad, the food can be delicious. You can pay good price, not expensive, but the food is really good. Very classic, very traditional cooks, and very local. I would go for it. I don't have an issue eating the local food. It's very similar to the Malay food that we have in Singapore and in Malaysia. We're hungry. We're gonna do the Korean restaurant that is just 2 minutes walk from the hotel, and we'll see how good the Korean food here is. Let's give this a try. Wow. Okay, let's see what you got.
See what you get.
What do you get? What's that? Wow. We're gonna check out the night market. Just 3 minutes walk out of the lobby. Let's take a look at what the local Batam night market looks like. Very, very unique night market. I like the variety, the uniqueness of the market. Not something that you can easily find in Singapore. We have night markets in Singapore, but the variety is different. The food here that they are selling is very local, and that's where I think it differs from the one in Singapore. Everybody sells different variety of food in their night market or in their store, while the ones in Singapore, you tend to go one store to another and everybody's selling the same thing. I didn't buy anything, but I can guarantee you I will be back tomorrow night or the night after. I'm gonna get something. We're gonna try some Sichuan cuisine, Sichuan style fish, which is their signature dish. Unfortunately, with kids, we can't do the ultimate spicy, so we're gonna do Sichuan without spicy. But it's okay. It's still Sichuan. Sichuan's delicious. I've been to Sichuan. I've been to Chengdu in Sichuan before, and this dish, if you haven't tried it, you should. This is a good one. Ya, silakan. Thank you. Thank you, fish. No more fish. We did it. And ice cream. Do you see a satisfied face? The fish, the soup, slightly sourish, spicy. Oh, I'm lost for words. Totally lost for words. So good.